Xiaomi has just unveiled their third generation of their under-display camera. We, of course, have covered a couple iterations of this thing. This is the future of front-facing cameras. Yes, there are some fun motorized things that are out there in order to eliminate the notch and the hole punch, but this just feels more futuristic. They have shrunk the pixels in order to diminish the appearance of the camera sitting underneath the section of display where it is. So they didn't have to thin out the pixel count. They just had to make the pixels smaller. And the effect here is that you barely see the location where that camera sits, the front-facing camera. And apparently, it can either be a square cutout like that, which is a little more visible because of the straight edges, or it can be a circular style, which is right there. And that's far tougher to see. I think you might agree with that, Will.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, so anyway, in this video, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the video. It's a short video, just sort of giving you a real world kind of look at this technology with some scrolling and whatnot. And look how great the full screen display is, Will, with no obstructions. And I know what people are going to say. People are going to say, but it's not perfect. I can kind of see the outline. And it's like, what's your alternative? A giant black orb or square? Like, it doesn't have to be perfect right now for it to be better.
Yes, and it'll only improve from here.
Correct.
Right?
So and then there's the front-facing selfie, which a lot of people would be curious about. Is there a degradation in quality of the selfie camera because it's having to look through the display? Now, I don't know about their demo here. This looks like a Photoshop job after the fact.
Superimposed.
So we can't speak to it, but nonetheless, we are getting closer to actually seeing this in devices. Of course, we talked about that upcoming device from ZTE where they said it's going to be the world's first. So they're working on it. Xiaomi's working on it. It's going to come soon, and it'll probably become the norm shortly after that.
Right on.